Hey, James at Eagle Ballistics. We're going to quickly cover connecting the Tractoric to an Android device. And it's very simple. Once you download the Eagle Ballistics app, allow it all the permissions it asks for. Let me get this out of the way of the screen. This is the screen record. The app is only good to 100 yards until you connect it, and then this will stay open for 30 minutes so you can build your gun profiles, true BCs, and everything. And then if it falls asleep, just fire the rangefinder again and wake it up. All right, first and foremost, build a gun profile, settings bottom right, folder upper left. If you want to add a gun profile, hit edit. Get this out of the way, hit the plus. You can put a ton of profiles in here. To make them go away, hit the minus. At that point, you're going to hit, well, first of all, highlight the profile you want to work on. Hit the back arrow, name it. I'm going to call this 6.5 fake. All right. At that point, we are going to 7.5 fake. Guess I'll learn to spell. Make sure in advanced mode, not basic. And then barrel twist. Let's say it's an 8 twist. Measure the scope height. I've got videos on eagleballistics.com. Put in the correction factor. Select the bullet you're shooting. Burger bullet, 284 caliber, and a 180 target hybrid. Put in real chronograph velocity, not the box of ammo. Hit set, and at that point, go ahead and lock scope angle lock. Anytime your velocity changes, unlock and relock. We have now built the gun profile. Go ahead and hit the folder in the upper left, and that's the gun we want to put in. So now go back to the HUD or go back to devices. Fire to wake this up. It says Tractoric connected. I'm waiting, it's discovering. Now, what you're going to notice is it says okay, but it's not truly connected or not fully. Range anything and wait for the sensor. See how the sensors just popped up? Now it's fully connected. At this point, hit select, touch the guns you want to send to the rangefinder, hit start, and boom, it's that fast. And now when I go into rangefinder, I'm going to push and hold the mode button. I'm going to go down to gun profile, fire into it. I'm going to select fake and push and hold. Now it is connected. So now every time when I go to the HUD and I range anything, it's 14 yards. Range over here, 7 yards, 7.4. So if your rangefinder is showing different data than what your phone is, your phone's on a different profile than what this is. So make sure in the HUD it says the exact same gun. The rangefinder is now working fully with the app. The app can be used to most any distance as long as you have velocity. For instance, it's not limited to 100 yards. Now let's go to 1,000. You can see it fully functions, okay? Just like it's supposed to. To use the app, go to eagleballistics.com. There's a bunch of training videos on how to use the app. All right, that's really it. That's how you connect the rangefinder to the Android app. We've tested multiple Androids. This is fully functional. Again, let me reiterate this one more time. You go to devices, connect the rangefinder, range something until you see the sensors. Once you got all the sensors, you can now hit select and upload the gun profiles. All right, hopefully this makes sense. You guys have a great day. Oh, wait a minute, one thing. If, for instance, it's not working, just shut the app down and restart it. Android sometimes needs a little kick to get it restarted again, so just restart the app and everything should function fully. All right, have a great day, and we'll talk to you later.